Okay, so you can see on this project that there's a decent amount of height on here. They've gone out, they've gone up, and now they're ready to start making this smaller. And so for some people, this is confusing on how you would actually make this go in. But this one, I think moving inward is a little bit easier. And I'm not going to score and slip anything, especially since this isn't mine. But when you do this, you can see the coil on the outside, and you're not blending the outside. And so you can see how you can see a section of that and how it's going to step in. Okay, so half a step. It does get very long, and so it could be that you're going to need to use a couple of sections, because like I have a pretty big coil left where I would waste that section if I didn't use it. So you could very easily just have 2 seams right here, and that wouldn't be a big deal. Okay. Oops. So you can see how that's starting to get smaller. Okay, you can see that from the outside as well, where it's angled more in. Okay, and so how much you do this is up to you, because everybody's project is going to look a little bit different. You can use a design and angle those in as well. Okay, but it does, I think it's a little bit easier to take half a step in, and you can see those previous ones and see that from the side. Oops, that one's not in. Okay, and you can see how that will get smaller as you continue to move inward. Okay, so if you wanted to with like designs, same thing. These could angle in. Okay, if you had a section, those could tip in if you wanted to make this smaller and to add a design at that section. Okay, and then once you get to the point where it's as small as you want, then you would go back out. Okay, with the same concept that we did down here. Half a step out, whereas this is half a step in. Okay, so if this isn't working for you, make sure you come and get me and let me help, so it will get smaller and you will have a neck for your coil pot. Okay.